Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce groenten, or in English, vegetables. We say groenten with or without the N at the end. It will still mean the same. Both spellings are correct. Groenten or Groente. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Groenten or Groente. Groen-ten or Groen-te. Groenten or Groente. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!